Here I have Nokia 5.3, and today I'm going to show you how to get iOS control center on this device. So as you can see, here I have my not iOS but Xiaomi control center on my device, but you can actually customize it to be like on the all other iOS devices. What you'll have to do for it is to firstly, I guess, delete my another notification center. Then you have to download the app Control Center iOS 14 from the Play Store, and you have to open it. Then you have to grant all the permissions it requires. And here you can customize your control center. And why it doesn't work? Oh, let's set it here on top. Okay, maybe here it will work. You have to grant other permissions for it to work. Oh, and as you can see, now I have my control center like on the all other, like on the iPhone devices here. But to use all these functions, you will have to grant permissions for it. For example, to use camera. Oh, you can use camera like this. To use calculator, you have to select calculator app and grant permission to use it too. You can enable, disable Bluetooth here, Wi-Fi, and like use this control center as a control center. You can also customize some of the things in this control center. For example, you can customize its colors, which you can't do actually in iPhone, which is pretty cool. You can change only color of this slide. Okay. You can set its background, for example. Oh, and as you can see, now I have like my actual wallpaper as a background here. And you can customize many other things on of this control center. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.